Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Steve's Tech Vlog. Today I'm going to do a short quick review of the Logitech B170 basic wireless mouse. Just received this, and this cost me like just $5 online. Needed a quick mouse for my laptop, so this was a very economical model to buy. Always loved Logitech products because they are really reliable. So let's have a look at the box. So I've got the mouse and the box itself. So the box itself basically shows you the mouse and tells you about like 10-meter range, 12-month battery life, and plug and play controller. Not much in them there. So the mouse itself, very unassuming, very clicky keys with a scroll wheel, very nice grip at the side, feels fairly ergonomic, although it's a bit small, but it's good for traveling. Let's see, so it uses a AA battery, and I suspect that the battery will last quite a long time, and the wireless controller is actually built into the mouse. Right, this is how you stow it away, and there's an on-off switch as well. So let's turn on the mouse. Let's remove the wireless controller. On the alright, so this is on. Okay, let's close this. Let me just plug this into my computer. Right, so mouse, although you're not looking at my screen right now, the mouse is tracking is pretty good, very good resolution, very easy to click and comfortable keys, and the scroll wheel as well. So for $5, this mouse is a really good value. And in the previous mouse that I was using had lasted me almost 10 years. So this is a good option for a low cost mouse, reliable from Logitech. Right, see you in the next video.